Good afternoon, this is Rich, and the market certainly had another very volatile day. A lot of selling once again in soybeans, more big liquidation as soybeans continue to make 2-month lows. We saw big selling in wheat once again today. Some of that was spread trading with corn, both soybeans and wheat selling there, buying back corn positions, which were previously put on the other direction, which traders had sold corn and bought soybeans or bought wheat. So we'll see a lot of unwinding of the spreads. Cotton continues to get beat up severely. We continue to make new lows in the old and new crop contracts there, trading at about 28-month lows now in the cotton market. So that market continues to have trouble finding much support. Here at the close tonight, we did have July corn close up 6.5 cents at 603.5. December corn up a penny at 523. July soybeans down 19 3/4 at 1362.5. November soybeans down 24.5 cents at 1257 3/4. December cotton down 282 at 68.75. September rice down 17 points at 1532 even. July wheat down 20 cents at 665.5. Kansas City July wheat down 15 at 686.5. Minneapolis sep wheat down 6.5 at 772 3/4. The dollar was sharply higher once again today, up over 0.5 of a point. Crude oil down $1.50 a barrel. Gold down $15 an ounce. The Dow closed down 11 points. We did see the cattle and hog markets both sharply lower today. Cattle down $1.72. Feeders down $1.32. Hogs down $1.60 on the nearby contract. Tonight's 6 to 10 day forecast does call for above normal precipitation for much of the area that needs it. The northern part of the delta into the southeast, all looking to get a drink of water here this week. Minnesota, northern Iowa, Wisconsin, all expected to get a fairly decent drink. So a lot of areas of the Corn Belt, at least with tonight's forecast, Corn Belt and the Mid-South, as well as the Southeast, all expecting to see some precipitation here, it looks like, over the next 10 days. Also, the forecast out into next week looks a lot cooler than it did here just a few days ago. So that moderation really not giving the market, at least for the moment, a reason to put much premium back into it. Tomorrow morning we'll get the weekly export sales report out. Again, the trade's still trying to get used to this 21-hour day. It's kind of difficult, I think, but nonetheless, we're slowly getting that direction, and we do have the markets closed here till 5 o'clock, and we'll reopen once again. So hope everyone has a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.